Hey there. So there's a couple of trees that fell. They're not big, but I'm just gonna kind of cut them down, get them off the other trees that they're hanging on, so it doesn't end up on our heads someday. So it's just a little right here. This one here. So I'm just gonna chop it up with my little electric chainsaw. So I'll put this over here so you can watch me do it. definitely one other that was kind of leaning above our heads. So I'm gonna leave this little pile here for now. I'll come back and get it later. I'll come back and get it later with the quad. Ah, it is a beautiful, beautiful day. All the ice is starting to melt. All the snow is melting. The brook is running free. And, oh gosh, I think it's 65 degrees today. Well, it's going to be. I think right now it's around 60-ish. Tomorrow's supposed to be almost 70. Not as nice out though. It's going to be cloudy. I gotta say, I usually have my dog out here with me, but we lost him in July. Oh boy, I miss my Benny. I miss my puppy. I'm sure you've seen other videos of mine walking in the woods with him. He was my little shadow, my little sidekick. I don't know if I'll be able to get through these with this chainsaw. So I think the big chainsaw is going to have to come out for these logs. I don't think this little one's going to get through it, or maybe just the battery's not good, so I might need to get a new battery, but I think these are going to need the big one, which my husband won't let me use. He might have to come out here and do these, as these are pretty big, pretty thick, and I think my battery is getting kerplooey. And that one over there, I have a feeling when you cut it, the way it's leaning up there and over there, it might be one of those that pops in a weird direction and I want to get whacked with the log. So I think the one I did is probably good for now. So thanks for watching me chop up the log, and catch you on the next one.